Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and compliment of the season. So this is Radiant Diva Skincare. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're highly welcome. And to my old subscribers for so many years, thank you so much for staying with me. I know that I have been going off and coming in, off and in, off and in. I'm so sorry guys because I've been so busy with my studies and formulations, business, TikTok, and all of that. But once in a while, I'll be dropping video. Yeah. So, guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to keep your skin hydrated. Let me tell you one thing: the best way to keep your skin out of getting dark spots, out of getting hyperpigmentation, out of getting skin discoloration, like out of getting some skin conditions is by keeping your skin hydrated. And I'm going to show you one product that you can actually use to keep your skin hydrated, and this product is large and it is also very cheap. It's a pocket friendly. So guys, like I said before, keeping your skin hydrated is going to save you a lot. It's going to save your skin a lot because by the time your skin is getting so dried, you're going to be noticing flakiness, scarlet, you're going to be noticing a lot of stuff going on. Before you know, you start having hyperpigmentation. Before you know, you start having melasma. Before you know, you start having coporous. You start having rosacea. You start having all kinds of skin conditions. So try to keep your skin hydrated. Hydration is the key. Apart from you taking a lot of water, you still need to hydrate your upper layer of your skin, right? And talking about hydration, there is this product you can actually use to hydrate your skin, which is the Perilla Face Serum. Is a serum and in a toner at the same time. Like you can call it a serum, you can also call it a toner. It is a soothing toner. So a lot of people do not actually know what soothing is, right? Soothing is something that helps your skin to calm. If you know that your skin easily gets flame up, yes, if you know your skin easily gets flame up, if you know that anything you apply on your skin tends to irritate your skin, if you know that your skin easily gets red, like when you apply something on your skin, you just get red, or maybe when you go out, you get red, or when you are, let me just put it this way, if you know you have hypersensitive skin, because for me, I have hypersensitive skin, and one of my best products, any product that I'm using on my skincare routine, there must be a soothing product. Even my moisturizer have to be a soothing moisturizer, right? So this is a soothing toner or a soothing serum. It is great, guys. It is pocket friendly and it is also great. And this serum or this toner is just going to help to calm your skin. It's going to help to protect your skin, and it's also going to help to hydrate your skin. We are still talking about that skin hydration. It's going to help to hydrate your skin. Do you know that if your skin is hydrated, your skin is going to be, how will I put it? Is this supple? Is this English correct? Suppleness. Like once you touch your skin is going to be firm. Your skin is going to be firm. Like if you hold your skin and you pull it back, it's going to be firm. Can you see? Now I'm holding my skin and I'm pulling it back. You can see. This is called what they call firmness, right? But there are some people, once you hold their skin, you will just draw it, it will be stretchy. Yeah. It will look like a it will look like it will look like an elastic, like you pull their skin, even their skin will pull up to this length. But you see my skin, it's very hard. You see, it's very hard. You cannot even hold my skin. You see it? It is called firmness. And for you to get this firmness is by using an hydrating product rather, by using a soothing product. Now, this is going to hydrate your skin and it is also going to soothe your skin. So it is called two-in-one hydration and soothing, right? So this product contains let me just tell you, so it's going to repair your sunburn. Of course, if your skin is hydrated, you don't have any business with sun burning your skin, trust me. If your skin is hydrated, you don't have any business from the sun burning your skin. I'm telling you this because even if you are applying sunscreen every day, if your skin is still not hydrated, the sun is going to penetrate. It's still going to burn your skin. So this is going to help repair your sunburn. It's going to help soothing and hydrating. Soothing and hydrating. It's not just reading it out, oh, it does the job because I'm using the product. It is doing the job. So it's also going to whitening and shrink your pores. For whitening, I cannot guarantee you that, but you see that suppleness and brightening and firmness, it is going to do that. And shrinking of your pores, of course, is going to shrink your pores. Once your pores is shrink, you're going to have firmness. Like you can see my pores. You see some people their pores is like they have rashes there because they have enlarged pores. Their pores is very very large, it's very visible. Then you think they have little rashes there. No, it is not rashes, it is because their pores are very very large. So for you to able to shrink your pores, you need a product that will help you to shrink it for you to be able to get a firm skin like this. You see very firm skin, you need a product that will help you to shrink it, and this product is going to shrink your pores, and it is also anti-aging, anti-acne. Anti-acne, I'm not going to guarantee acne, okay? I'm not going to guarantee acne. See, like when it comes to review, I say it the way it is, okay? I say it the way it is because sometimes most of these manufacturers they exaggerate. Is it exaggerate? They exaggerate a lot. They will tell you this product will do this and it will not do it. Talking about acne, I'm not going to guarantee that this product is going to treat your acne. No, I will not guarantee you. I will not guarantee you, okay? And wrinkles, of course, this is going to help with wrinkles. It's going to help to fight your wrinkles, fine lines, because if your skin is hydrated, it's very, very hard for you to get wrinkled skin, okay? If your skin is hydrated, it is very hard for you to have a wrinkled skin, even if you are aging 40, even if you're aging 50, as far your skin is hydrated and supple and firm. You know when something is firm, something is thick, it's very hard for that thing to be squeezed, right? But if your skin is very stretchy, very thin, before you know it starts squeezing. That is it. And also, this product is made up of a lot of extracts. See, if I'm making my handmade skincare product, if you're buying my handmade skincare product, you will notice that I use a lot of extracts because these are plant extracts. These are natural. These are plants. These are grains. These are plants. Okay, so they are natural. So here they have a lot of extracts, glycerin, there is water, there is vitamin C, of course. There is a hydrogenated castor oil, of course, for that hydration. They have there's rose water. They have a lot on this product, a lot of ingredients that will keep your skin hydrated and supple. And the best way to use this product after you finish cleansing your face, okay? After you finish cleansing your face, you just drop a little on your palm and you dab it. Dab. If you use your hand to rub it in, it's just stay, you are just rubbing it on top. The best way is dabbing. By dabbing, it's going to penetrate deeper into your skin, right? After you finish cleansing your face, take a drop like this, you dab on your face to your neck, and after dabbing you apply your moisturizer and you are good to go. Apply your sunscreen, you are good to go. You can use this product morning and night. It's a very good product and it is also very cheap, and we do sell this product. So link to get this product is on my website. Link is on the description. Sorry, link is on the description box. Yes, I talk too fast, sorry. Link to get this product is on the description box of this video. Okay, you can get this product from my eBay shop. You can also get this product from my website, right? You can get this product if you want to order from website, the link is below. If you want to order from eBay, the link is also below, right? So we ship worldwide. Yeah, we ship worldwide, and that is it. So guys, try to get this product and keep your skin hydrated and thank me later. And I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell. We are giving out free facial spa treatment. Okay, we treat the skin. It's just for free for my subscribers alone. My subscribers alone. If you want to treat your skin, you want us to wash your skin, you want us to extract the gbogbo to you have on your skin, you want us to do skin analysis for you want us to recommend products for you. So please leave your comment on the comment section for those that are based in Lagos alone. For those that are based in Lagos alone, because our spa is in Lagos, right? So thank you guys, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.